Hey guys, so I have with me here an iPad Air 2 with iOS 11 freshly installed, and if you turn on the device, this is the new wallpaper. So this is your lock screen. On the left hand side you still have your widget as usual, but as you notice, the battery pane here now shows the iPad battery even when there's no Bluetooth device connected. On the right hand side you still have the camera as usual, and the notification is no longer from the top but from the bottom, so you'll slide up to see your notifications. If you press to unlock, so you see the interface is also new, and it's also work when you put your fingerprint here. Excuse me. Yes, so it slides up, it changed the animation. So what is new here is this dock. So what the dock does is you can drag any app, you can hold and drag any app down, and you can put it there. Is essentially what the dock on the Mac does. So on the right side is your recent app. So what does it do? For example, let's go to setting. It works anywhere. So you slide out the dock, is there. And for example, say you want to have your notes open, just drag it and slide, so it's here, the left or the right, and when you're done using it you can drag it to the side, it will go away. Apps that supports multitasking, so if you slide up, say notes again, sorry, yeah, it's not really responsive there. So if you tap here, yeah, it actually goes into split view as usual. See, and you can actually drag and drop. This, for example, I want to drop this picture right here. It does. Okay, pretty cool, right? The next big thing is when you slide up, it will bring you to the multitasking interface. So it's totally redesigned. On this side is the CC panel, is a control center, right? So it's now merged into one. So you no longer have separate control center like you used to have on iOS 10, but instead you have it both. So you may wonder where do these come from? So now you can actually customize your control center by going to settings, go to control center, and you can add everything. Now I just added everything here. You can remove them. Yeah, so stuck. Yeah, it's really still buggy, right? Now if you want to cross that out, you have to hold it and exit. Let's go to control center and let's X that out, and they will be here. So these are the areas that you can add to your control center. See, okay, crashes. Oh, we're back. Let's go into setting again, and notification, control center. You will see everything here that is you can customize those. So there is one thing that impresses me though, that is this screen recording. So Apple has now officially supported screen recording. Let's check that out. So if I go out here and I slide up, so you can notice that I no longer have to use my forefinger to actually activate. I just need to swipe up from the bottom. So I have all the access here. So let's tap this button, and it is now recording. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, what's going on? Oh, crashes again. So we have a little notification there. So when you see this one is green, still not record. Let's see if it saves. Yeah, so it does save. Yeah, so basically you get the idea. They now support, and you also notice that the animation also has changed. See how the background slides up when this slides backwards. Okay, so and one more new thing here. You can see this one, the files. What it does is actually is a browser, for your device. So you can have your iCloud drive over here, and on your iPad was there, and all the tags what you need, and you actually can add more cloud services. Is not just restricted to Apple service. I still haven't figured how to add more cloud services, but yeah, I think it's on their way, or maybe I haven't found them. I don't know. So let's try to add a folder here to talk about this new keyboard. It's not new, but it has a quick type that is it lets you add, for example, you want to type A and then you want to type at, and you can just slide down. Yeah, so it saves your click. Pretty cool, right? So let's talk about that control center for a little bit more. So when you slide up here, it appears. So everything is on the same page. And as you can see, as Apple announced, there are certain features that are only restricted to 3D Touch enabled device. However, I'm not sure if it's a bug or not, but I still can perform 3D Touch here on my iPad Air 2. So as you can see, I can 3D touch on those. For example, this one or this one. I don't know. Yeah, it works. It just works. I don't know why. So I don't know if they will disable the features, but yes, 3D touch so-called works on the iPad Air 2. Well, there is one more thing that I want to cover here, that is dark mode. Yes, it's finally here in some way. Okay, let's go to settings, and you want to type in smart over here. So you see I typed smart invert. Press that. If you enable it, yes, it will go completely dark except for some elements that are the pictures, for example. Yeah, the picture won't go dark. See, the picture will remain the same. So this, yeah, you see a little bit choppy there. So if you go to notes, it's totally black. Yes, totally black. And you go to messages, yeah, same thing. Okay, yeah, but it's a little bit choppy, so you can actually add it to your shortcut. So when you triple press it, you can select it or deselect it, so now it goes back to normal. So there you have it, guys, iOS 11 on the iPad Air 2. I'm sorry for my disorganization, for jumping back and forth on the content, and sorry for my bad English. It's not even my mother tongue. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please drop a like or share the video. Thanks for watching, and if there are new features added, I will cover them. So thank you. Bye bye.